Hey! Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this channel. In today's video, we're gonna play Minecraft. Heh, Minecraft. Original game by Mojang. But guys, we're gonna play top 3. Okay, not top 3. 3 rip-off game of Minecraft. And this one is, I'm not gonna say rip-off, but it's a rip-off. As you say, you had the Java edition like buttons, Gu GUI, GUI, what the call that? Minecraft made for fun, Minecraft remake beta review. Okay. Um. Eh. Okay, guys. I start, and as you see, this is not a true game, or this is an original game. This is just a, I'm not gonna call it rip off, but yeah, rip off, and it's just, pan made. I'm just gonna say that. And boom, the sensitivity is flipping nuts. Oops. Oops. As you see, guys, there's sound like Minecraft, and like Minecraft, but it's not survival, it's creative. What can I do? Can I fly? No. It's like a, how do you say? It's like Xbox, Minecraft, PS5, PSP, PS4, 5, Minecraft like that. Why there's no drop? And I think this is not infinite like Minecraft, so we're gonna see. This is like the PS version. This is like this is the PS4, PS5 slash Java edition version. The sensitivity. Oops. There's block here, like this, but oops. What? Oh, you can like. Oh, okay. Wait, I'm gonna see what in under. Is this? Wait, are there bedrock here? Obsidian only? Is this? Is that cobblestone? This is gravel. Okay. Oops. The, I don't know. The UI, or I don't know. The controls is hard because it's not for a big bone. Bedrock. Can I find diamonds here? Or it's only stone? Yeah. Oh. Heh. Poink, no, poink. Okay. Heh. This is hard. So, I'm gonna just get back to original one, I think. Okay, gonna do it. Next is the second rip-off game of Minecraft. Okay, this is the number 2. I'm just gonna put in the top corner the name of the app because I I didn't look at it. I just installed it. So, as you say, it's only play. And in all version of Minecraft, it's like this, but there's other option. Yeah, I play more MCPE, old MCPE, and it's nostalgic if I could. And the background is trash. I'm sorry about that. I think he do his best, but this MCP old version, a newer version of the game save this level cannot be loaded. Okay, this is a old version. I think it's a glitch in the blue one. So sorry about that. Okay, okay. This is Minecraft old version for the Pocket Edition, and he just textured it. Oh, as you see, oh my gosh, I hate this. Can I quit now? I don't know. I don't want this. Yes, sir. Quit that. Now I know. I don't want to play this. No.
An hour later.
Okay. Ano? Feels nostalgic. I think I'm not gonna delete it. But what command block world or this? I know there's no command block in this game. It is touching everywhere. Because why not?
24 hours later.
Oh my gosh. The nostalgic is real. Cringe. Yeah. Cringe Minecraft.
What?
I'm gonna play survival because why not? I know it's just a copy, but Whew. Guys, comment and like if you want me to play this game or have a survival series in nostalgic. Gosh, just textured it. Can I change the wait. Can I yes third person view? Ooh, this is much easier. Difficulty, sound volume, sensitivity, speed control. I like speed control. Why not? Yes, sir. Ooh. What is this? Graphic. Yeah. I'm just gonna flipping. You know. Yeah. It's okay like this.
One eternity later.
I think I'm gonna do a creative. Oh. Ooh, nostalgic. Guys, leave a like and 2 likes. I think I'm gonna do a survival series out of this because why not? I'm not gonna say this is a good game. I don't think this is a ripoff. It's just retexture. Sorry, I'm having so much fun because this is an old version of Minecraft. In this version, come on. I think they retexture. I think the water's not. I forget, but the grass, I'm sure that not what it looked like. I like to go in the flipping. Is this? Oh, nope. Okay, guys. It's not laggy like the old version. Or the newer version because there's not a lot of mobs blocks. Let's see. Are there any mobs here? Oh wait. Did you see that? Oh. It's in full screen now. I like that. Oh, there's a. You can see. Ooh. Can look. The old parts is crazy. This is the third Minecraft ripoff. The last one I think it's not ripoff, it's just textured, so kinda. And this one is eh, eh, this is the most ripoff I think. It's just like they took the WASD and or the arrow in laptop. Can I parkour in the gravity of this game? Look at that. Menu, select terrain. I don't understand it. The texture though. I'm back. The problem is I didn't sign in. Come on. The flip. But I s- uh, at least I'm back in the Nether update. Next, we're gonna have survival series in old Minecraft. Epic. Okay, goodbye, Epic.